Hi, kindergarten. You are going to get in your sight word packet and turn to the word it. That's right, IT, it. As always, it is the same activities on this page. Read the sentence 3 times. Color in the star each time you read it. Notice the spacing between the words in the sentence. Notice the capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. Always has to have a capital at the beginning. So the bigger case letter. And notice the punctuation at the end. That is what makes a complete sentence. Right? That's up here at the top. So it is, what's that last word? Chunk it. Sunny. It is sunny. Good. Next, we are going to, what's that say? Write it. So there are 2 boxes to write 2 letters. Write it in the boxes, write it on the lines. Remember, put it in the proper spot on the lines twice. Down here on Find It with a magnifying glass, find, circle or color or highlight each time you see the word it. Don't leave any it's not circled or crossed out. Find each one. Down here, build it. Of course, as usual, you are going to cut this line off and glue them into these boxes in the right order. And when I say in the right order, that means you can only spell it one way, right? With the I and then the T. And if you notice, it's going to be at the beginning of the sentence, just like up here, right? Here, it's not in a sentence, and so lowercase I. Here, it's the beginning of a sentence, so that's a capital I. And they have lowercase i's here. But it is, again, the beginning of a sentence here, so that's why they have a capital I for you to glue here. And then again, I say in the correct order because even last week, I reminded you in the video to glue them in the right order to spell last week's word, which was that, T-H-A-T, and I still had friends that glued them in any order that they wanted to just glue them on the page. Remember, a word is spelled in a certain order of the letters. So this one, how do we spell it? I-T. So that means the I has to go on and then the T. Over here, you're going to draw it. So draw it. So what does the sentence say? It says, it is sunny. So I want to see what your picture looks like for when it is sunny. And draw that in that box here. When you are finished, you are going to go to Seesaw, look for sight word, and take a picture and send it to me. All right.